Hello everyone, welcome back. If the iPhone apps start crashing or keep crashing after update to iOS 17, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first and basic method is we have to check the update of the particular app that start crashing. For that, tap and hold the App Store, then tap on Updates. Here we have to check the update for that app, and also we have to update all app that are available under the App Store. If you want to update one by one, tap on one by one and you have to update all. After that, the second thing that we have to do, launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then make some space. After that, we have to tap on background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn on background app refresh. Now go back to settings, tap on General and disable low power mode. If your iPhone is not fully charged, then you need to recharge your iPhone. Here we have to tap on battery health and disable optimize battery charging. Then go back to settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap on VPN and device management and check the list. Is there any beta profile installed on your iPhone? If there is, then delete the beta profile from your iPhone and go back to stable version of iOS. After that, the next solution is go back to General, tap on VPN and device management, tap on VPN and disconnect the VPN if it's connected. Now we move to the lost solution. General, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.